So I just want to come on here. I don't know quite what this video gonna be about. I have several things I want to talk about. I'll give you an update about what I've been up to. Yesterday, get out, Mia. Get out. Yesterday, I had a notary appointment for I-9 employment verification. I got that through a signing service. I got to go drop the documents. I had to wait to submit the documents to them. Get down, Mia. And then wait for approval. Make sure everything was done correctly, although they gave me fantastic instructions, directions. So notaries, don't be afraid to do an I-9. I-9s are very simple. It's very easy income to make as a notary. You don't have to be a notary to do an I-9, but they just like a notary because you're just signing off as a representative, authorized representative. And with this company, they had pretty much everything pre-filled. I didn't have to do anything but do the signature part. So that was very interesting. I would love to know how they got that kind of gig or how they did the I-9s with it, everything being already populated. Because previous experience, you have to fill out certain things on the I-9. But all I did was verify that the information was correct. And I got paid for that. You know what I'm saying? So that's a little tidbit for you notaries wanting to figure out what you should do in your notary business. Market I-9s. That company gave me a sheet of instructions, told me exactly where to sign, where not to sign. And if I had never done an I-9 before, by their instructions, I would have figured it out. And Mia just fell off the table, y'all. I'm like, it's like having little kids, like at a daycare. That's how I feel with these cats. Like, it's like having children at a daycare when I'm at home. So anyway, today I started out with Walmart Spark. So let me show you what I made with Walmart Spark. I changed my zone. I try to YouTube and Google it. When you change your zone, how does that affect your incentives? And I think it affect my incentives because I'm about to check right now while I have y'all on the phone. So anybody who's doing Walmart Spark, you can let me know. So as y'all can see, my incentives have not changed because I'm not working in my designated zone. So I guess if you don't work in your designated zone and do those trips, you don't get the incentives because I've done trips today. I can show you what I've done. Let me see how that work. So for today, I've done a total of 3 trips, as you can see. I don't know what's upside, but it's not even showing, because that one incentive was, it says 2 trips, you get $6 between the 12th and the 15th, and it hasn't changed any. As y'all can see that, if y'all don't know if y'all can see that or not. So I might have to change back my incentive. So I figured out how I was able to get to the Walmart closer to my home. I had to change my zones. Because remember I was telling y'all, like, I had did that Walmart close to my house, but I had did it through Point Pickup. So I guess Point Pickup and Walmart Spark both cater to that one Walmart closer to my home. So when I changed my zones in Walmart Spark, I was able to go to that Walmart closer to my home. So what I'm thinking, y'all, since it took Walmart Spark such a long time to approve me on the plot, because I have been waiting like over a year, I think that it was so many drivers in my close-knit area that they pushed me outward. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to change my zone back to what I was doing before. I had to drive like maybe 10 minutes away from my home, maybe 15 minutes away from my home. But it's just that area is so busy with traffic. That's why I think they don't have enough drivers. That's why they approved me for that area. And I was doing pretty good. I showed y'all last week what I made. Let me show you my earnings. And that was just in that one zone that they approved me for. So I made $227.93 working that zone. And I didn't work that much. As y'all can see, I don't know if it'll show you on my, let me see if I can show you my, I'm learning how to do this, y'all. Let me see. I don't know if I could show you last week or not. The bar. I don't know how to do that, y'all. Let me see. No, I can't. It won't show you. The little graph, how you show what days you work. I'll figure it out. But, yeah. So today, all I've made from today and yesterday, all I've made so far this week is $30.24. That's not good, y'all. But I started, let me see, I wanted to see what time I started today anyway. So I started at, today's the 12th. So I started at roughly 9 o'clock and I finished at 10 o'clock. And I made $21.51. It's about $20 an hour. Seems like I worked longer than that. Let me see. Is that right? Is that the right time? Just checking, y'all. Checking with the check. And those orders in that other zone, I've got to figure out how to. Those miles were ridiculous. I know one was like 20 miles, and one was like 14 miles this way. The other was like 7 miles that way. I was so pissed, and I was out in the country in a rural area. I thought it's from my hometown. I ended up trying to work my hometown area just to try to feel it. But now I know why. Like, from where the Walmart was to where they wanted me to go for the first pickup drop off, and then for the second drop off, it was y'all. I tell you, my head, I was like, I can't do this. So I did Walmart Spark. I did a little bit of Walmart Spark. I can say I did. I think I did one DoorDash today. Like I said, this video gonna be a little bit all over the place, just to give you an update of what I do to fill my day. And I did some cloud workers chat moderation. So let's see what I do today. Probably didn't do much of nothing today. Say 18 minutes for 547. Because DoorDash kept wanting to give me like crappy orders too. They wanted to send me all over the map and globe too. I'm like, no, we're not doing that today. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to spend all my gas, the money that I make on gas. So DoorDash didn't give me no good orders. I made $5.47 on DoorDash, y'all. So today is Tuesday, December the 12th. I don't know if that got anything to do with it, but I'm like, Lord, it got to get better. I got stuff I got to take care of. It got to get better. So between December, let me see here. Let me check. December the 9th and December the 10th, I made 60. Let me see. Take that notification off of here. I was able to make 67.75. You know, just in those 2 days. So, and that was a Saturday and Sunday. I didn't even go hard, but that just goes to show, like, at least close to hitting 100, at least $50 a day. You know what I'm saying? So I tell y'all break it down, make it make sense, y'all. So if you shoot for $50 a day, 50 times, if it's 30 days in a month, $50 a day times $30, $50 a day times 30 days a month is $1,500 a month. 30, let me say that right. $50 a day times 30 days in a month is $1,500 for a month. That's pretty good, y'all. How can you get ahead? You can get ahead a lot like that, right? Even if you got a W-2. This don't have to be your only source of income. Yeah, you got taxes. Yeah, you got gas. Yeah, you got expenses. But you got that anyway. And y'all might hear my wash machine, because I got to get a new wash machine, y'all. Because the wash machine I have, it does not wring the clothes out. And that's running up my water bill because I have to run it twice. So it's always something. If it ain't one thing, it's something else. So I did DoorDash. So let me see if DoorDash is popping now. Let's see if I'm in the red zone. Nope. Still not in the red zone, y'all. Still not in the red zone. And let's see if Walmart is hitting on anything. Let's see here. Let's go back to home. Let's go here. Nope, nothing. See that? See them light red? Light reds, I've learned, that means it's not that busy. It's not that busy. Y'all see that? I don't know. And y'all see right here at the bottom, it shows you the times it's supposed to be busy. That's later in the day. I have my children in. You know what I'm saying? I know people probably gonna be wanting to do their grocery orders later in the evening, for their families and stuff. But I'm like, why can't it be busy right here where I don't have my children? You know what I'm saying? So also with cloud workers, I did cloud workers. I'm trying to do $20 an hour with cloud workers. So with cloud workers, yeah, I'm just over it today. Cloud workers, you get 10 cents per message. So 10 cent, what did I say? 10 cent times, what did I say? No, it wasn't 100. It had to be, I had to do, was it 200 mess? No. Yeah, I had to do, so with cloud workers, my goal is to do 200 messages in an hour. Hopefully, it's the times I'm able to log in is busy. So if I do 200 messages an hour, that's $20 an hour. So I can at least make my $100 from home. So we'll see. And like I said, you can work cloud workers 24/7. So it's possible to do that. Even if you have to break it down and run over an hour, just as long as you hitting $100 a day. It's ladies in this one Facebook group. She makes $14,000 a month. Now, no one's gonna really tell you how they making that money, and that's fine. That's their prerogative. But I'm just sharing with y'all, like, I'm not gonna put nobody's business out there, but I'm like, if she's making $14,000 a month, this one chick says she's making $2,000 a week. So I'm like, you really hustling, or you got some help, and that's fine. Like I said, I'm not putting their business out there because I'm not trying to get my account banned. I'm not trying, it is what it is. But I know you can make that kind of money doing chat moderator with cloud workers. I know you can, because I'm just sit there today and just answer messages as they came up, just answer messages, and they have to be quality messages. They can't just be trash. You have to, because I used to work for Admin USA. Admin USA was my first start in doing adult chat moderator, whatever adult chat. It is adult chat. And I would just sit on there and just sit there and answer the messages. I had my laptop in front of me. I'd be on the couch watching TV. My children wouldn't know what I was doing because I wouldn't let them see the screen, because sometimes the image is a little bit too much. So for me sometimes. And I'd just be sitting there. I'd be in the room. I'd be present with my children. And I'd just be answering messages as they come. And I was making bang. And we got PayPal. We got paid every week faithfully. Now with CloudWorks, you only get paid once a month. But like I said, if she's making $2,000 a week, that's 246,810. No, that's 246,8. That's $8,000 a month she's making sitting at home. So, cloud workers, if you're interested, let me know. I'll tell you how to apply. It took me a long time to get on with them. I don't know if they had an influx of people that they brought on, and then when they found out people was using AI, they kind of let people go. So that's why I say it's not my prerogative to put people business out there. I'm just glad they gave me a chance, opportunity, because Admin USA, the company went out of business with COVID. So a lot of us lost that position. That was a great, great, great opportunity. If you could get that, if that stuff like that don't bother you, just sit there answering messages. You do the same thing on Facebook. We all get the ones that's in the Facebook performance channel. We all getting paid to message people now. Read the comments and message to it. Read the comment, message. That's all we doing on Facebook. But we don't know what we actually getting paid with Facebook. But what cloud workers we do, 10 cents per message. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's on the website, so I can't get it it won't be no issues with me telling you how much. It's on there, 10 cents per message. So yeah, so that's what I've been up to, just trying to grind. And I'm about to drop the documents off. I'm just, as a gig worker, you go out there and you shoot for like, oh, I'm gonna make $100 a day. I'm gonna make $100 by 12 o'clock. Especially you get started early. I drop my kids off early in the morning for school. I'm so glad I'm able to take them to school. And then you go out there with intentions to, hit your goal. Yeah. And I have been pricing wash machines, and it's like I want to buy one flat out, because I told you I'm not doing anything credit, because I'm buying a house next year, right? So I don't want anything extra on my credit report, so I'm paying cash for my anything I purchase. So I was like, well, you might as well just go ahead and get the washer and dryer that you want for your new home. So that's one less thing you have to worry about. So when you move into your house, you have everything pretty much that you need, and all you have to worry about is the mortgage and the utilities. So I was like, okay, boom, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. I have all the furniture I want. The kids that have the beds that they want, the TVs that they want. Although I didn't want to put TVs in every room, I want to kind of be like a little electronic free house. But I got a business call coming, so I got to take this call. Those scam calls, boy, they get smarter and smarter. They use a regular number now to call us. Oh my goodness. So I guess that's the end of my video. I really don't have much talking about today. I just want to share with y'all what I've been up to. I haven't been dropping videos every day like I wanted to for Vlogmas. I guess that's what we're doing, Christmas vlogs, or I don't know if it's Christmas vlogs, or a month of December we're supposed to be doing a video every single day. I've been doing my best. Life been life and though, but I still been trying to keep y'all encouraged, let y'all know what I'm doing. If I could do it, y'all can do it too. So yeah, that's it for this video today. I hope everyone will continue to have a great day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if y'all interested in joining to Cloud Workers. I dial you people. We have not been dialing this week, but please check in your Skype to see any updates. Have a fantastic day.